people come in and their frequency, their consciousness is vibrating here. So I might pull them up to a higher place, and then because of where they are with their interpretation of what's happening and the assignments they give to it, it winds down. It's not conscious, winds down to something more dense, and then the body reflects that. So our practice this week is to notice attention toward the health or the not health. This is the mindset. For information on our trainings, which are open to everyone and offer continuing education credits to providers of all kinds, message us here or visit our courses page on the web at flowismedicine.com. And be sure to follow us on social media.